Are you ready?
Slide Gaines here with another security tip. Today we're going to be talking about a simple tip that can save you thousands of dollars on your Amazon account. Make sure to enable multi-factor authentication. All it is adding a simple code plus your passcode. So if someone steals your data or steals your passcode, they can't get into your account and rack up charges within your Amazon account. But one tiny thing that Amazon didn't tell me, they didn't tell me not only did I have to put that on my Amazon shopping experience, it's also on my Amazon video experience. So when I was here in the US, someone purchased HBO subscription on my account. And I'm asking the Amazon rep, how could this be if I have two-factor? He says you don't have two-factor on your Amazon video account. So make sure you go in there and add that, and that will save you time, money, and headache if you do that little tip, and it'll keep you out of trouble. I'm out.
Make sure to subscribe and click the bell to stay notified.